Name po, ma'am?
I am Maria Cristina Castro,
And what is the name and type of your business?
Esteban Castro Electronic Supply.
Next is, where is it located?
It is located here in San Nicolas, Barangay 3.
Next, ma'am, what made you start your business?
Because I am already married. That's why I need to have my own money.
Ma'am, let's proceed. How did you get your business idea?
This is already a family business. That's why I have an idea of electronics, of selling electronics.
Next is, what was the hardest part when you started and how did you overcome it?
Hardest part, narigat agalat customer. Yes, DJ lang. Ken, di kita dati nga customer mi Jay Lawag, di kita datu maum umay datoy. When kasi ito ada parkingan kakasjay. Ken di kita adenti party daya iti solsona dingras umay datuyen. Kesa tama panda Jay Lawag.
So, basically, more accessible ito, ma'am.
When no iti ka parte ti agabukat parte at daya kada bagatanin.
So, next is, what skills help you succeed?
Anos,
Honest.
patience, DJ lang, determination. DJ.
Next po, ma'am, let's proceed to growth and mindset. So, how do you stay motivated for each day, ma'am?
Motivated, di gito yung utang ko. Gapo di gito yung utang ko, dapat masabol agbiag nak, dapat ag-open nak everyday, on time, ti pa naglukat, kas jemet tuno pa nag-recap, then bantayak di gito stocks, dapat agdalat ta, hanga maawanan, ken bantayan, di gito yung tao, di gito yung empleyado, kas jay.
So, next po is, how do you handle stress or problems in the business po?
Umuna-una ay kararaga. May kadwa, hanak agong unget, tay agpanunutak ka nalaing, tay mayat nga solusyon. Ken bantayan ti kwa, dagitoy gargaraw ti tattao. No apay nga ana DJ problema, apay ana ti reason na kasyay. Amwek umununa. Di reason kasyay. Sa kunto panunutin DJ na pintas nga solusyon na.
Next po, ma'am.
Yes.
What does success mean to you?
Success means contentment. When no kontento ka ti biyagen, successful ka.
Okay, for our last question po, what advice would you give to new entrepreneurs po?
Di kitay kwa new entrepreneur, agan anos kayo, ket napigsa ti kompetisyon tatta at the online nga kalaban. Ijay, agan anos lang ken be resourceful. Di gito'y pag-alalantay ti supplies tayo. Kitantay, di gito'y nalalakang pagkatangan ti supplies.
Thank you po for your participation, and what you shared with us is really important for our research group.
Okay.
So, first question po, what is your name?
My name is Andrea Nikki Blas from Barangay 6 Lawag City.
Okay po. So, what is the name and type of your business?
Beauty Gowns and Salon by Formantes.
Okay po. Next is, where is it located?
Barangay 7 Ilawag City.
Thank you po. Next, what made you start your business?
Since 2003.
2003, and how did you get your business idea po?
Because I'm LGBT member, so I have the courage to do it.
Okay po. Next is, what was the hardest part when you started and how did you overcome it?
Remember, always be patient
Be patient.
and have faith in God.
Okay po. Next, how did you get your first customers?
By your friends.
By friends. O barkada and other connections po. Next, what skills help you succeed?
Make sure clients are satisfied.
Satisfied. Now let's talk about business growth and mindset. First question, how did you stay motivated each day?
stay humble and positive.
Okay po. Next is, how do you handle stress or problems in the business?
Always pray to God and have faith.
Okay. Next, what does succeed mean to you?
Success is the greatest gift of our Almighty God.
Next po. And last question, what advice would you give to new entrepreneurs?
Be patient and work hard with a heart. And to those people who has the same mantra, I think you have to reflect to what I did. Because if I myself did it, then I strongly believe that you yourself can also make it.
Okay, that's all po. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
So this concludes our interview. Again, we are Group 5 and thank you to our entrepreneurs, Mrs. Christina and Miss Nikki. Thank you all for watching.